Hi, welcome to Maths channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about area and perimeter of rectangles and squares. A square and a rectangle are both two-dimensional figures. So, this is a square. This has two dimensions. It has length. This side is the length. And this side is, I said it's the height. But, pwede po na siya tawagon og width, ang height. So, two dimension, length, and width. The same as rectangle. Ang rectangle side na ay length, na ay width. The length and the width could be measured in meter, foot, or inch. And mo sila ang itawag units sa length, height, o width. Now let's define perimeter. Perimeter is the continuous line forming the boundary of a closed geometrical figure. Now let's discuss about how to solve the perimeter of a rectangle. So this rectangle, we can see nga naa sa mga linya. Ako nang gituyo para mas maila ang measurement ba. So for example, kanya siya na ay 5, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, it could be that it's 5 meters. Okay? Or, it could be also 5 feet. So, depende sa gigamit nga unit. Or, it could be also 5 inches. So, let's just use the standard metric system. Usually, use meter in talking about perimeter. So, this has 5 meter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 meters. Here, 1, 2, 3. So, we have 3 meters. The other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That must be equal to this side. So, 5 meters also. And finally, this side, 3 meters. So, the perimeter of a rectangle is actually simply the measure of the boundary. So, ang boundary niya is kani, o kani. Imo lang i-total tanan. Kung pila na siya, mao na lang perimeter. So, we have 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3. So, that is equal to 16 meters. So, para ma-solve ang perimeter sa rectangle, mao niyang formula. Perimeter of a rectangle equals 2 length plus 2 width. So, sama sa itong gibuhat ganiha, ato nang gi-add tanan. Mao na siya gihapon pasabutan na niya. So, diba, duha ka length, 3 plus 3. Muna. And then, duha ka width, 5 plus 5. Matong gibuhat kaniya. Pero mao gini ang formula. So, using the formula, atong i-solve ang iyang perimeter. So, imuhang i-substitute ang length nga 3 meters. So, 2, formula 3, follow, 2. Nya ang length kay 3, so mao ni siya ang length. Then, plus, then 2, the formula 2, times the width, which is 5. So, 2 times 3 is 6. Then, copy the unit. Plus, 2 times 5 is 10. Copy the unit. Then, 6 plus 10 is 16. Copy the unit meters. So, the perimeter of this rectangle is 16 meters. Now, let's solve for the perimeter of this square. So, as we have said, ang perimeter kay mao na ang boundary. Ang total sa boundary. So, let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So, let's use the unit, which is meter. 4 meters here. So, kay square man na, 1, 2, 3, 4 sa na. Next nga side. So, third side, pariha lang hapon kay square man. And the fourth side, 4 meters. So, Kung ato lang mata-matahon, dito na ta, ang perimeter niya kay 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, that's 16. So, sa math, mas maayo gud kung natin formula. Now, the formula for perimeter of a square is 4 times its side. So, kung ano ni mong usa ka side, which is 4, imo na i-times sa 4. So, to solve for the perimeter of the square, we have 4. And one side is 4 meters. So, 4 times 4. So, that is 16 meters. Now, let's talk about area. Area, in definition, is an amount of space a flat shape takes up on a plane. So, kung natin rectangle, atong kuha ng area, first is ato siyang ipon kung unsay atong i-measure kung pila ang length dere. So, di ba, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, let's say it's 5 meters. Here, 1, 2, 3. Let's say it's meter sa siya, so 3 meters. Here we have 5. And then we have 3. The same naman ni ganiha nga figure. So, same na palag mga kanang given. Now, ang area aning rectangle or area sa any plane is kanang tanan nga iyahang gi-take up. Tanan nga square na adin ha imo nang ipon para makuha nimong area. So, ang area ani itong ipon kung pila ka square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, naay 15 ka squares. So, pasabot ani na aditay 15 square meters. So, the formula in solving for the area of a rectangle is area of the rectangle equals length times width. So, atong length is this one, 3, and atong width is this one, 5 meters. So, imo ra na i-substitute ang values. So, area of a rectangle equals ang length niya kay 3 meters, niya ang width kay 5 meters. So, 3 times 5 equals 15. And then, the unit is square meters. Kay m times m is m squared. Next, we'll solve for the area of a square. So, ang area, as we have said, mauna ang number sa tanan nga square nga naa dila tanan imo nang ipon mao nang area niya. So, without using formula, we can simply get the total area. Okay? Maihap ano to itso ang mga square sa sulod. Diba? But first, let's label kung pila na ang kada side. So, kada side ana niya kay naay 4 meters. So, we will use meters lang gihapon as the unit. So, there. So, para magkuha ang area aning square atong ipon. Pila man tanan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So, we can say nga 16 square meters ang area ani nga square without using the formula. Okay, let's use the formula to solve the area of this square. The formula is area of the square equals side, so the measure of the of one side, and then you square it. So S squared formula. So we have the value of one side is 4 meter, diba? 4 meters. So 4 meters imong sulod sa parenthesis, kanya square nimo sila tanan. So 4 times 4, that's 16. Yeah. M times M, that's M squared. So, the area of this square is 16 square meters. So, sayo na kaayo pag-solve sa area of perimeter sa square or rectangle kung tagaan na kadaan og mga inani ba. No? Kung wala yun ana, ang ihatag. Maglisod na ta. So, mao na dapat nga makahibaw ta unsaon with the use of the formula. So, kani ang formula sa rectangle, area niya. Then, ang formula sa perimeter sa rectangle, mana siya. Then, ako lang i-summarize sa. Then, for the square, ang area sa square, mao yung formula. And then, ang perimeter sa square, mao yung formula. So, sa'yo na pag-identify, kaya naaman ay P ug A, area, perimeter, Naasad siya yung mga symbol, rectangle, square. So, mao yung summary sa mga formulas. Thanks for watching. On my next video, I'm gonna show you how to solve problems involving perimeter and area.